Hello and welcome new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. Yes, we have cellulite body cream with caffeine and mint. And caffeine helps stimulate circulation for a more radiant, firm looking skin, and has peppermint for toning and cooling effects. Plus, collagen helps renew, tighten, and plump moisturize for a smoother, firm looking skin. And it's by Global Beauty Care. In this haul, we're showing quite a few of shampoo and conditioner. First up, we have the Power Stick Leave-In Conditioner Brazilian Mist. Notes of pistachio and salted caramel. And you know, the Power Stick has other Brazilian mist with the wipes, the spray, body spray, and other things they have in their collection. So this is one more thing in their collection. Sorry about that. By Pro Silk Salon, we have moisturizing coconut oil shampoo infused with coconut oil and shea butter, and it's a 14 fluid ounces, and they have the shampoo. I'm pretty sure they have the conditioner somewhere. For some reason, I'm just showing the shampoo. I'm not quite sure why. Then next we have the invigorating tea tree oil shampoo infused with tea tree and mint oil. It's 14 fluid ounces too. And for some reason, I'm just showing the shampoo. Don't know why yet. Let's see what's next. The infamous Earth Clean Beauty brand. We have a weightless volume shampoo with bamboo and biotin, cleanses without harsh stripping. And then we have the conditioner with those same ingredients. And the green one or bluish one, we have shampoo with a smooth and shine with vegan keratin and hibiscus, fights frizz and helps manage unruly hair. And then they have a conditioner with the same things inside of the bottle. And it's always free with cellophane, sulfate, parabens, and all those things. And there are 12 fluid ounces. Yes, we have green ultra hydrating shampoo, nourishes and restores plus shine. And then we have the hydrating conditioner as well. This is the set, and it's the blue one. Also, we have the green one. I believe I might have shown one of these before. I could be wrong. I believe I have, but I just wanted to show you they have the shampoo and the conditioner. The shampoo is extra volume shampoo, coconut shea butter scented. Be careful. And then extra volume conditioner. The reason why I said be careful is just scented. It doesn't mean it really has that much in it. It just says scented, so it can be the very last ingredient and it can be quote unquote scented. So totally up to you what you decide. We have self-tanning glove. Indulge in velvety softness. Achieve effortless tanning. Double-sided for versatility. This is by Simply Spa Bath and Body Care. So if you're one of those self-tanners, here is a glove at Dollar Tree. They have a purple one and a black one. Socks, of course. We have SpongeBob SquarePants, and we have the Ninja Turtle socks. Just a few to show you this time. Another spare SpongeBob SquarePants. Phone selfie light for smartphones. It says hashtag no filter. So if you need a phone selfie light, of course Dollar Tree has them for $1.25. Happy birthday. We have an award confetti ribbon that says, "It's my birthday" in pink. And in the blue, we have "It's my birthday too." So one pink and one blue. And wow, it's my birthday. Is it yours? No, it's not mine. Smell Me by Jolly Rancher. It is a scented highlighter, pen, and bookmarker. Awesome, great little gift. Stocking stuffer, advent calendars. I'm always looking towards the holidays and people's birthdays, a little gift basket. So these are different things you can buy now before you get overwhelmed with all the other items. Just here to help you. If you like these helpful tips, let me know in the comment section down below. We have, this is called Renewal Mind Plus Body by Joy Burst. It is peach flavor. It's premium hydration beverage. And this is, like I said, it's peach flavor, 16.9 fluid ounces. And we also have the strawberry and lemonade flavor as well. If you're in a state where it's starting to get cold, because it is technically fall, we have beef stew by Southgate. This is 15 ounces. So if you wanted some quick stew and do not have time to make it, there are some available for you to try. Plus, we have Hormel tamales, chicken and chili sauce, 99% fat free, and it's 15 ounces. So, another item on one of those cooler days or cold days, whatever one you want. We have a 3-in-1 game board, the Classic Games 3-in-1 game board. We have chess, checkers, and backgammon. 67 pieces. A great little game, family. Like fall's coming, you're indoors a little more. You can play with games for game night. Just simple, clean, family fun. Not this month, the next month is Thanksgiving. How about having a tablecloth that you can color in? Especially if you have like a children's table and you can just put it, help entertain the kids, give them some crayons, I guess, or markers, and they can make their own tablecloth while they're entertaining themselves. Now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. It may include one, two, or even more Dollar Plus items for you to enjoy. We have a bouquet of fall flowers. Look at these gorgeous flowers. They are $3. So they're part of the plus section. And if you're making a centerpiece, you can just buy this set of wonderful flowers. And then we have this 60-inch scarecrow steak, costs $5. It can be outside to help decorate for you to enjoy. We have sensory sand. Feels silky smooth. Wow. It is $3 and they have two colors. We have this gorgeous dark pink. Wow, it's beautiful. And then we have this wonderful like medium blue. Both $3 for you to enjoy. Great little item for gifts, Christmas, birthdays, gift baskets, and whatnot, and so forth and so on. Another wonderful gift item to keep the kids or even yourself busy. We have String Art Kit. It's for ages 6 plus. It's 171 pieces. Make It Glitter 3D poster. makes 3 string art designs. Just push pins into foam and string away. Wonderful. We have this bubble more. Bubbles sold separately. So great little, little mower and the bubbles come out. I know it's a nice indoor gift you can do if it's not too much problems, and it's $5. Last but not least, we have this combat soldier toy set for $5. And there you have it. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment, please. Be greatly, wonderfully appreciated. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And make sure you watch all my other videos and tell a friend. Like I always say, be blessed until the next time, and be better than yesterday.